and I had gotten this big old box, and it had 100 per block, and it came up 5 times to make 500. And so I got this with this pixel art here. I made my own grid on it, and then I counted 100 black, 32 green, and 44 skin colored, which is this right here. Now, as I counted them out, and I started making them. So, and I kind of got ahead of myself before I started really showing how to really do it. I got, so this wood glue, now this Treabond, any wood glue would work, but I just got this, I would get a block, boom, right here. So I got my next black one ready to go. And I'm gonna, on this one, it technically needs to be right here on the outside. So I'm gonna have to put one here first and then build off of it on that. I got this little glue brush. It's really awesome. So the whole idea of it is whenever it dries, like it kind of has right now, I can kind of move it back and forth, kind of get that glue loose, and then I can pull kind of glue residue at it once. It's really satisfying with 2 hands, I guess. But, and so I kind of, what I've been doing is I've been getting on this paintbrush can that I use for the white. I've been just kind of putting some at the top. And so I'll just kind of dab backwards and kind of let the glue soup in a little bit. Let that marinate in itself. And I'll grab a cube. Just kind of do this with one hand. Put some glue over here. Put some glue over here. Always put glue on 2 sides. So you're gonna have your side right here. Kind of bounce a little bit. Make sure you get that glue nice and thin. You don't want it to pop up and mess up with your spray paint that you work so hard to put on. And you see I already got glue on right there. That's why we go 2 times. Boom, boom. And there you go. And you're gonna keep on building on that the whole way until you get something like that. And then I got some hangers. Sawtooth hangers. They come in, you can nail them on. Now make sure 100%, now this is really important, whenever you nail them in, do not nail them in the middle of lines. You will split your glue and you will split your whole apparatus that you got cooking. Get your little hammer, knock it in, boom, 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 boom. This one's already done, so I'm not really gonna do it. And also, whenever I was finished, I covered the whole backside with glue. I don't know if it's really, yeah, there you go. I covered the whole backside with glue so that way I can't really do it over here because it's got the paint pretty side. But boom, and then you put it hang on the wall. Let's see, I got one hanging. This is from my house, not necessarily right here.